Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what just might be the best noise-canceling over-ear headphones on the market. The MMWOWARTS Hybrid Active Noise-Canceling Bluetooth Headphones. If you're looking for an immersive, high-quality listening experience without breaking the bank, this might just be the perfect fit for your ears. Let's kick things off with the design. These headphones are clearly crafted with comfort and aesthetics in mind. The over-ear form factor is paired with ultra-soft memory foam ear cups that hug your ears gently without squeezing too tight. Add to that a lightweight frame and adjustable headband, and you've got a pair of headphones that you can wear all day. At work, while traveling, or during a Netflix marathon. Without the usual ear fatigue. But comfort isn't the only strong point here. Battery life on the MMWOWARTS headphones is absolutely stellar. We're talking about a whopping 60 hours of playback on a full charge in standard mode. Even better, if you're ever caught in a pinch, a quick 5-minute charge gives you an additional 4 hours of playtime. That's ideal for those last-minute dashes out the door or unplanned meetings when you forgot to plug them in. Now let's talk connectivity. These headphones come equipped with Bluetooth 6.0, offering ultra-fast pairing, minimal latency, and stable connections. Whether you're switching between your phone and laptop or streaming from a tablet, everything stays crisp, clear, and smooth. Plus, the Auto Connect feature means they're ready to go the moment you put them on. No fumbling through Bluetooth settings needed. Here's where things get really impressive: the hybrid active noise cancellation. The ANC tech on this model uses dual microphones to detect and neutralize ambient sounds across a broad frequency range. Whether you're on a plane, in a noisy office, or just trying to focus in a cafe, these headphones cut through the chaos to deliver a peaceful, private listening environment. Sound quality also doesn't disappoint. The drivers inside these headphones have been precision-tuned for deep, punchy bass, the kind that you feel as much as you hear, while maintaining clarity in vocals and highs. You get the rich, immersive audio that music lovers crave, but it's not just about entertainment. The built-in microphone is fine-tuned for call clarity, aided by wind resistance and AI-powered noise isolation. So, whether you're hopping on a Zoom call or chatting with someone on the go, your voice will come through loud and clear. From premium comfort to advanced ANC, from marathon-level battery life to superior call clarity, the MMWOWARTS Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Bluetooth headphones truly deliver across the board. Whether you're a remote worker, frequent flyer, student, or someone who simply appreciates good audio, this is a pair that deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for that perfect balance of performance, comfort, and value, these headphones are tough to beat. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more deep dives like this one. Catch you in the next video.